So this exercise is called a trap 3 raise, and the idea with this one is that we're strengthening our lower traps and we're moving our shoulder, our arm through the overhead position. And we do a lot of work, direct work, opening this position, so we can do exercises where we're using weight to assist our overhead position, we're stretching it out. This one is focusing more on us pulling into that position and really strengthening it up. So I've got some light dumbbells, I've got a little bench here. You can actually use anything. You're just going to put your hand on it for support. And I'll just show you the position from here as well, because this will be helpful. What we want to do with this one, we want to keep our scapula down, retracted, and in that position, then we're going to raise from here. So retraction, depressed, and then raising from here, making sure that we're engaging those lower traps. We don't want to just like blindly lift through the shoulder. All right, so using those cues, you're going to support yourself here. You're going to go, I've got my left arm on the dumbbell, and I've got room here, so I'm just a little bit further off the bench here, so I've got room to swing the dumbbell up. I engage the scapula, like I said before, so we go retraction, depression, squeezing those lower traps, and then raise, squeeze, and then come back down. Make sure every rep you kind of check in and reset the scapula in the position. Again, you're not just like kind of just swinging the dumbbell up. We're really paying attention here on squeezing those lower traps and using them to lift this dumbbell up. You'll do your reps on this side and then just switch over to the other side. And that is the trap 3 raise.